Fuck you and suck my cock, motherfuckers.
Pushed up, way stay there, block out chop. Rat tat tat, make the boy walk it out. He told to the boy, couldn't tell him enough. People who ain't talking Friday, hands down, yeah, red so I bet my mouth. Shooting at shoes, I'm tight, you ran that nigga. I fucked the one, cause got the rock, I show stop. How many hoes stop? They say no, what they told, yeah. Bitch ain't race, I still ride their clothes, yeah. Wrist on phones, yeah. Medicate got them, show my toes. Can show up and show, I love my beats. Second, that's all it'll take to put one in your dome.
What's up, guys? It's Swazi. We're gonna be installing my headers today on this guy, just like I said at bottom.
Fuck you and suck my cock, motherfuckers.
That's how we feel.
Right, like this. It's little, but it'll fit in your mouth.
This is my stock headers, and I just bought the new ones.
Feel it.
We're about to install these, baby. So yeah, let's get to going to it. New header's not fully on yet.
You got all the bolts on the header.
Yeah, we just gotta wait, tighten a few more things in, get it all in place. That's what she looks like. This was the condition of my old header. Replacing the stock one. Bought a performance header. Here's the old heat shield. Got my cold air intake. Now we got performance headers. Hell yeah, boys. Got the header on. That's my new performance header from DDM Works. We're about to turn her on and see how she sounds. Let's see what this shit sounds like. New header in it.
Alright. There's the new header.
It sounds a little different.
A little bit.
Can you hit the gas a little? It's so much trouble getting in there. One more time. Dude, this thing's loud. Hell yeah.
Fucking turbo 4-door carrier.
Saturn Sky 2.4 liter Gotit engine with new DDM Works solo performance headers.
Yeah.
I ain't finna lay with no hoe, I put dick in the mouth, make her take off her clothes.